Okay, welcome back everybody. I'm sorry I got interrupted and the stream got cut, so I'm very sorry about that. But we are in the Philippines, we are in the province of Camarines Sur. Small fishing village and a small town called Pasakau. Welcome to the chat. You're welcome to say something. Yeah, let's enjoy the stream together. It's a bit rainy, so I'm kind of hiding from the rain. Hey Greg Moser, how are you, my friend? Yes, see, this weather is very unpredictable in the Philippines. No, there's a typhoon, so yeah, I'm basically hiding. But trying to show people in Pasakau. I just barely want to get something to drink. I won't find a sari store. Hey my Mikey, hoe gaan het met jou? Greg, Mark Bosworth is also from South Africa. So yeah. Mark Bosworth, friend of mine. Yeah, the famous gin in the Philippines. Yeah, I have never drank it because I've been sober for many years, but yeah, everybody enjoyed this, the gin. Ja, nee my Mikey, dit is gezond. Ek ook, ek het nie knagtes nie, dit help nie om te kna nie. Solank as ek weet almal gaan goed en almal is gezond, dit is al wat saak maak. If it disrupts my live streams, it can be a bit annoying, but for the most part it's good. Yes, my friend, I'm using the Smart. That's the one I got here. But sometimes the signals can be very unpredictable also. Not. It all depends. You know, there's one thing that I just cannot get out of my head is the fact how... Oh, yes, my friend, don't even talk about it. There's always signal issues here. And sometimes it's bad, especially when you do live streaming. It can mess around with your stream, man. Let me get a soft drink. They're always behind on everything. Well, so it seems. I always hear about other areas that are better. It seems the rain is not too bad now. Yeah, I think Mark Bosworth, he went off. I think he went off. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Good thing that I found a pizza shop right next to me. Interesting. They are so shy when they see me. Yeah, I was actually shocked when you told me that, you know. I was actually very shocked because there's no Muslim terrorism that happens here. So yeah, my friend, for me it was also a bit of a shock. I was shocked myself. You know, I think when you grow up in Bikong and you never go to other places, it's different because you don't know different. But once you see other places, you can kind of start to realize that yes, in here, it's not always. So even though it's the second poorest, I still enjoy it. But it is strange to think that it's the second poorest. It's not supposed to be. But it is what it is, I guess. Not much we can do about it. Maybe that's also why when typhoons hit, it's a big problem. Yeah, my friend, maybe you're a bit biased. I don't know about that, but I don't know. Isn't Filipinos all the same? Or is every region different? I know Cebu is the richest. No, that's good service. They bring the pizza out. Yo, those motorbikes seems like it's gonna fall over. Ah, okay, yes, because that makes sense. So it's a bit of both. Because you still get a lot of them, they look a bit more dark skin. Not all of them, but yeah, you see them. And then you get your very pale one, you know, like the Ah, interesting. Is that where it's like vegan city and stuff? Is up north. If it works, it only works on some of them. Yeah, I want to go to Vegan City. Apparently it's one of the oldest places also. And beautiful. I've never been there, but I want to go there. And then you get a place called Abra or Abba, I'm not sure. I want to visit there. You must get yourself a pedicab and a tricycle and import it to the States. Drive around in it. Longanisa. I don't think I've ever had it. Yo, I must make a way up there to Vegan City. I want to really see it. I saw on the internet and it looks absolutely amazing. But apparently very hot, the weather. Apparently very hot weather. Welcome to all the new viewers. If you're new here, tell me where you're watching from. Oh well, makes sense. I mean, it was colonized by Spain, so it does make sense. And a lot of historic. I wonder if I've had empanada. Oh, they have snacks. Empanada. Interesting. They have snacks. Have you been to Vegan City? Have you visited Vegan City before? Yeah, it is quite pretty. But I actually want to see in the Philippines, you know, I enjoy the old native Philippine houses like the kubos. I wonder if there's a city in the Philippines that's got purely Filipino architecture. I wonder if there's a city that's basically Ivata. Yo, I must definitely go do some research on that. That's something I would enjoy to see. Definitely something I would enjoy to see. Yo, 4 people. Well, I need to go and visit it. I guess I need to go up there as well. Go and see it for myself. Yeah, that might. I think that is probably a good thing also, you know. And then the Spanish came, and yeah, it got ruined. Yeah, you're gonna have one day. One day I won't go. But I guess I'll do it. I think the ancient Filipinos probably, like you say, they used materials that basically went back to the earth. No cement and stuff. Anahau leaves and bamboo. Which makes sense though, it's not a bad thing. That is very funny though, that they had warships with cannons, but they had bamboo and Anahau houses. Well, I mean, it does make sense, you know. They didn't. Yeah, but you know what? The nations in Europe is by no means better. So I say they must leave everybody to do their own thing. All this conquering other countries is not good. If one country is doing their thing, let it be. Don't always try to interrupt and like interfere and do your thing, and then you want your beliefs to be in the country, and no, it's not good. You, Greg Master, yeah, of the Philippines. He's American, and but he's got a Filipino wife. Very good guy. He's also got a channel. You can go check it out. Ethan, Greg here is also in the States. He's a half Filipino, so yeah, he's got so much knowledge about the country. It's so good to always speak with him. Yo, Yav. Hi, Greg. Oh, that's funny. But yeah, it's okay, Ethan. It's okay. I know you're busy, man. It's fine. I always try to watch yours also, but I always seem to miss it. But when I get the opportunity, I always go on. Even it's so funny when Greg says, "Oh yeah," it sounds funny, but yeah, you get this. Wow, they come all the way from Manila. They sell mattresses and stuff. Yeah, I don't trust him. I bought a mattress once, same story, and it ended up being very bad. I had a cotton in it and stuff. So not always the wisest move. So yeah, when you come to the Philippines, don't buy mattresses from vendors because it's not always good. Sometimes what they do is they cut it open and they put card boxes, I think they put it inside, and then you think it's a good one, but it's not always a good one. Sometimes it's a bit of a scam. You almost smashed the wires on top of me here. Hey, but you know what? You want that property in the Philippines, so you gotta work for it. Oh, of course, Greg, man, you're always on my ice creams. It's a pleasure. There's nothing really, but yeah, you're welcome. Let me turn this again. It's so strange that today is so quiet. Like even my stream is like very quiet. Usually it's busy. Maybe it's because it's Sunday. I don't know. Opening up, maybe tomorrow we can do a very good beach walk. I can show everybody there. It's amazing in there. People living like native, you know. The only thing is that they're always asking money from me and I don't have money for them. I always try to help, but you know, sometimes it's a bit much. I do enjoy those vans. Oh no, it seems like the police officers have their on tricycle and bike. Now it's standing. No catching criminals today, I guess. A good beach walk. Yeah, I wish I could help, but I'm not a mechanic. Is it maybe flooded? Maybe you flooded. It's the police officers, their bike didn't want to start. So I just went to help them and I see, but it's empty. So they have to put fuel. I said to them now they have to get overtime. Now they're pushing it. Hey Zed, welcome to the stream. I'm sorry I had to cut the other one because the phone restarted, so unfortunately it ended the stream. But it's okay, we're back. Ido. Close the door. Hey, Ido. Showing me scared, man. Sure, Greg, my friend. You don't understand. There's too many of them. I want to move positions now. Let's go somewhere else. Injury on my foot, so I'm taking it a bit easy. This kind of looks dodgy. Yeah, let's go towards the. This is the pizza time. Let's go that side. Let's go where the action is. Oh no, Greg, my friend, I don't know what's happening. I need to really find out why it's freezing. It's the signals, my friend. Okay, I've restarted it. So let's see, maybe it does better now. Have against the area. The signals are sometimes so terrible. If you can, maybe just let me know if it's better. Oh no. And you know, this really affects my stream also.
Hey my friend, shout out!
Just let me know when it gets better, because I did restart the signal. It should be better. If not, there's a problem. Yo. Okay, what I did was now I restarted the whole thing. So this is the last thing I can try. If it doesn't work, the only thing I can try is to restart a new stream or just call it a day. So if it doesn't work, it's gonna have to be the end of the stream. You know, this really messes with my viewers, you know. They won't just go off. Because if it stays the same, then I'm just gonna cut it. I'll just cut it short. area. Okay, I restarted everything, so I hope it's better.
Jack. My friend.
Hey, how are you, my friend? How are you?
Always good. Ano pa?
Well, everybody, I'm gonna end the stream basically now. Thank you for everybody who's watching. Thank you for all the thumbs up. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow we've got a good one. I think the weather is gonna be okay, so we're gonna have a nice one. So for everybody, good night and thank you for watching. Good evening. Yes, tomorrow we will do another one. Not a better one. I think the weather is going to be good. I think my egg won't be better. Yeah, we can do a better one too.